Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your screen is not rotating automatically on your OPPO Pad 5. So, if you're trying to rotate the screen on your device, but it simply won't do anything, make sure that the auto rotation is enabled on your tablet. To do that, swipe down the control center, find the auto rotate icon here and tap on it to make it turn red and white, and after that your auto rotation feature should work seamlessly. However, if this feature was enabled but the auto rotation didn't work on your tablet on the same screen, on the same home screen, or in other supported applications that support the screen rotation, then you may need to restart your tablet. To do that, simply press power button and volume up keys and then swipe the circle up to restart. This will reset the gyroscope sensors and may fix your problem. After the device is restarted, check your auto rotation once again. So as you can see, for me it's working even before the tablet is launched. But if it's still not working for you, then you have to make sure that your tablet has the most recent security update on your device. Go to System and Updates, check Software Update in here. Make sure that your device has internet connection. If it doesn't, connect it to the Wi-Fi. And check for the new software version. If you have one to install, then take your time to do so. And after that, let your tablet restart once again so that changes can be applied. And if this doesn't resolve your issue, you can go to Backup and Reset in System and Update tab, then select Reset Device, go to Reset All Settings, enter your pattern, and confirm your choice. This will not erase any data from your smartphone, but it will reset all the settings to default ones. And maybe this will fix your issue. If this won't, then I highly recommend backing up your data either to a local storage using backup and migrate feature, or to your Google account using Google Backup and Google Applications, and after that performing the factory reset operation by going to Backup and Reset, Reset Device, erase all data. And after the reset, you're gonna have to set up your device once again, and this might as well resolve your issue. If not, then you should immediately reach out to OPPO Customer Support service and notify them about this problem. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.